everyone, welcome to Move Well, Live Well. We get a number of people that come in here, athletes in particular, who have started an exercise program or they're already in an exercise program and they're looking for a new way to exercise their legs. You know, they're doing squats, they're doing lunges, and some of them are also complaining of some issues when they're doing their lunges, a little bit of balance issues. And they're looking for a new way to increase their balance, their proprioception through another exercise with their legs, but it's not going to interfere with their current workout regimen. So, well, one exercise that I see a lot of people not doing at the gym that's going to help with their balance and coordination, their proprioception, even their mobility in their legs is the Cossack Squat. Now, I don't know who Cossack is or how this exercise was named for, but if you do, put it down in the comment section below because we'd like to know too. But anyway, Cossack, C-O-S-S-A-C-K, squat. So what the Cossack squat is you're taking a wide stance, like you're gonna do, let's say, a sumo deadlift. And you're taking a wide stance like this, and you're leaning toward one side. So if I want to exercise this side, it actually gets both sides, but essentially what you're doing here is you're doing this. See that? Boom. This is the Cossack squat. You're kind of side lunging, if you will, one side or another. And you can see how much range of motion is involved with this particular exercise. Now, you may have to work up, some strength to be able to do this. So a progression would be taking a wide stance like this and then just going maybe quarter of the way. See that? And if you look at my knees, they're following my toes. See that? Following my toes. See that? And then as you get better and better, you go a little farther and farther. See that? A little farther and farther. You're keeping your body upright as you're doing this. You may, as you get lower, you may have to lean forward a little bit for counterbalance. And you can see my toes kind of come up just like that. Now I'm just on my heel on this side. Okay. Cossack squat. This will obviously open up the hips, the glutes, the hamstrings. This is a great exercise, total body really, because you're having to keep upright and that type of thing. I'll do a side view too, so you can kind of see how I'm doing this. So this is a side view here of the Cossack squat, and I'm leaning this way. And you see my body is pretty much upright. Now if you're having problems staying upright for a little while, you can add a counterweight. So you can put have a dumbbell, 10-pound plate, whatever, maybe you're just like book. That may help for a while, but then over time you can start eliminating the counterweight so you don't fall forward. Yeah? So this is sideways. I have my hands forward because I like having, if you want, you can have your hands closer. But again, my natural tendency is to keep my hands forward if I fall. So this is a great exercise that I don't see a lot of people doing in the gym or in their exercise regimen. I don't see a Cossack squat. I see lunges, I see squats, front squats, I see plies, those types of things, but I don't see that working each side in this fashion to help that balance and coordination, also to increase mobility in the entire lower extremity. Lunges are great, don't get me wrong. Lunges are a great exercise to help with balance and coordination, but what some people do is when they do a lunge, they find that their stronger leg will always want to push off. So just like a lunge, great lower body exercise, and it works for balance and coordination. But if they're stronger in the left leg, they'll do a lunge here, they'll push off with their left leg, and then they go to have their right leg forward, they'll go down, and then they'll still push off with their left leg back here. They'll push off with this guy because it's a stronger leg. And they miss having that balance between the two sides. But this forces you to really, boom, now this is left leg, bam, You can feel your hamstrings and your abductors contract on this side and lengthen. Great exercise. And you don't have to use any weight. This is just, could be an end exercise at the end of your workout after you do squats and lunges. End with those. It's a fantastic exercise. 3 sets of 15. Be great. Anyway, if you have any questions with this video, drop it off in the comment section below. We thank you for watching. We appreciate it. If you're new here at Move Well, Live Well to this channel, hit subscribe. And when you hit subscribe, make sure you hit that bell notification button because that'll keep you in the loop for subsequent videos coming here in the near future. That way you can continue to move well and live well. Also, I know you know folks who are in an exercise program, or even you are already in an exercise program or just started. Share this with them. It's a great exercise to increase balance and coordination in the lower extremity, and it's a great addition to their already workout for their legs. Also, give us a like, give us a thumbs up. It lets us know you care. Anyway, we thank you for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.